Habibi, come to Isuta. So yeah, breaking heart here, breaking heart here.
Lack of leadership in a dikuru way.
All of suffering. All of suffering. Your girl fainted yesterday on the farm. This means I just know I'm not even a good liar.
Yes, I'm quite baby.
So guys, I went out to get eggs. I'm about to make dinner and I saw this thing. You see, when you have a King James Bible on your phone, those Bible apps, it will send you and you subscribe to, they sending you everyday Bible verse, you know, that kind of thing. And randomly I saw this scripture, have not I commanded thee to not be afraid, for wherever you go I shall be with you. Joshua 1:9. Yeah, so I just saw it on my phone, so I was just trying to decode it, right? And it said, have not I commanded thee. If someone gives a command in Chi, Rebecca say what shall, you don't have an option. You get what I'm saying? So the command is like more or less like I don't know how to say it, and I'm trying to find a synonym of command. I'll put it somewhere for you to understand. But what God was trying to tell Joshua was that you have no option. Do not be afraid. So I was like, if somebody tells you, I command you, don't go here, that means that the person has the authority. Hey, well, wow. Holy Spirit, thank you. The person has the authority to do anything to you. I'm trying to put it in the simplest of form. If a police tells you, I command you, don't drive away, you dare not, except in Ghana where you can drive away, because you get what I'm saying. Yes. So if someone says, I command you, that means the person has the authority and the power to do what? To stand behind you or to do something against you. And God says, have not I, King James be doing too much, have I not commanded you to not be afraid? So I was like, okay, if somebody has a power, then it means so you get what I'm saying? So I read the next verse and it says, for I am with thee wherever you go. God says, Mashel, Makachel say, Embohum, Ensro, Esan say, Meno ne woho, bebia woko, everywhere you go, emptying. God is emptying. Bars, my nigga, bars. God did for you. So we are starting this vlog on that note. This week, God did for us. This week, God is standing behind us. God know the move at each. God is standing behind us like something. Let's start the week already.
Hey, MAILfor, good morning. I hope everybody is doing amazing. I hope everybody had an amazing night. Me, Mandao, meant me and that. I wish I could have slept more, but I have to be here. So we are currently on our DAF plot. I got a lot of questions about the DAF. So, as I said, I would explain it a bit more, put it on the screen. Try at least if you read it, it makes sense. And I also don't want to rattle something then I make a mistake or say something. So I want to get my facts right. Everything I've been learning whilst we are establishing this plot. So that's just by the way. I'll catch you. Watch us work. Guys, so you know something? Social media is very, 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 very. I don't know. How do I put it? Social media has its pros and cons, right? But one thing I've come to know today is that if somebody is looking for you on social media, the person can find you. I've always thought that these things don't just you get. But today, this I'm so a long so the whole thing, the whole reason why I'm blabbing that social media is important and is like a search engine, blah 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 blah. Well, it's a search engine, you know that. Is that randomly I post last week's vlog on my TikTok, like I auto cut it, then I posted it on my TikTok so that I get traction from that place also to YouTube. You know when you're advertising something exactly. Then randomly someone texts me and it's like Inshira, like replies to my video in the comment section. It's like Inshira. I'm like, yes, baby. Because at this point, I don't know the person. I'm like, yes, baby. Then she's like, Inshira, she comments again, Inshira, I want your number. There I'm like, who is this strange person? Because in my head, so I went ahead, texted her, I was like, oh, hello, this is my number. You can text me on WhatsApp. Then she texts me, she's like, Inshira, this is me. It's blah blah blah. Do I mention her name? I don't know if she'd be comfortable with this, so I'm not mentioning name. Then she's like, it's been a while. I've not seen you. So I'm texting her and I'm like, is this you from senior high school? She said, yes, it's me. She even remembers my dad. I'm so happy because I didn't think someone could find, I feel like people can find you on, I've always thought people can find you on social media if only maybe you have their contacts. That way it's easier, right? But it's social media. And I've not seen her since senior high we completed. The last time I heard from her was when I was in uni, I think first year. That was just it. Wow. I don't know, these things, I don't know why I'm even smitten by these things or am I supposed to be moved? So guys, thank you. We are on our rate. So guys, there's this thing I've been meaning to talk about. I don't know why some Christian brothers do this. Why would you be in church and have in airports? What is the reason? Just say, hey, I saw them all. Airports. And they have shades. I'm like, there's one person who oh, that be. I don't get it. I honestly don't get why they do that. Can't you put your AirPods in the kids? Listen to what God is saying. Ah, good. I don't. I really and honestly, I don't get why they do all those things. So what's the point in being in church and having airport? Is it for life? What is the reason for the airports in church? Says I won't be so busy in I saw them, oh, me uncle. I saw them. They all do that. I feel your body. Your baby body. Efola.
Lack of leadership in a decru wing. Mommy, where's a mini cyber fast one? Assembly man. Me, hey, in your politics. Into catch of me and campaign. Because maybe something. No, my catcher. The whole year. What can I send them to the me feel? The Macoya campaign, I'm a winning power. Oh, parliament. I could use. Nyame feel climate in a corner, and some number one. Yamin to me walk out on Guadia, Nadia and I'm we did. Wabram and just a politics who criminal pub emerson. Sabre is your core rally. Oh, if I saw say a woman say.
Doing the canon nation.
What is it like, say, we a young person that or start your rabo with a family?
One say, oh, area, ma who service of Yansa.
Eh, will be our soon answer.
The Casa Yansa, a dependent, Maruki. The Casa Yansa, also go ha, the vision of Koran, the same me say, as of humanity, purpose and internal violence.
Pet temptation, Jesse baby, our bravo.
And Yansa American, a boama out to two on
Yeah.
so this year, I worry. The next case this year, although this year, I'm to make sure my family members, but wow, worry, oh, and the expenses are being abundant. They be a rough as we,
We have a rough off, which is rough off.
I work at it.
Oh, my crab, I dream home.
Very good. And a two, oh, maybe a wow, warranting over press, wow, bang yourself.
Contain be a new abusi abeshim.
We will be sufficient. Abema, obesi whiskers and my top plot. So, obesi whiskers and me sit down. Inti at age now our be what you would our NTB. I won't say we see what down what to
assassin. Inti age ben auto assassin. Was assassin. On say oh bakwa on bakwa was a hu adwuma.
I know there first one no me turn on at the age of 22 years.
Hey! Ni ozo mi di me ya ma brabo ni hu bibi. Me ya ma brabo ni hu bibi.
But all the 22 years and 22. That's a 22 and that's 23.
And what are they saying at that time? No?
2002.
Wow. And then meto asasu onsuta. Meto asasu onsuta.
This year no buy it.
Say akose.
This year no, me share the price in about 6,000 plus.
I cry a bit boys can run to do her.
Second one year me toy 2 plots to boom. That 2 plots to back could be 4,500.
Wow.
The 2 plots now to boom 9,000.
Say is there I could do momo side at your honor. Hey guys, hey MAILfor, hey family, hey lovelies, hey darling, hey everybody, hey everybody. So today's a Friday and I'm going to the clinic again because your girl fainted yesterday on the farm. I know I'm laughing about it, but yesterday it wasn't funny. I remember my farmer was like, "Hey, madam. He was scared. And the sad thing was there was no network, no motorbikes passing by. So we're in the deep of the deep and it happened, right? I had just, so the whole thing was that I had 10 farms to remap, right? So I made it a point that, okay, today I'm just clearing everything, finishing everything. Okay, my work is looking somewhere. I'm clearing it, I'm finishing it. Then I've gone through 9 farms. I'm done. It's left with the last one. We get to the last one. I just drank water, took my bottled water out of my bag, drank it. Then all of a sudden, my head started pounding. I started being lightheaded. My chest started aching so bad that I had to hold my chest, sit down on the floor. Then I started sweating profusely. All of a sudden, it just happened. Then, oh my God. Then I knew that everything was, because I couldn't see, my eyes were open, but everything was black. Everything. So I was telling my farmer that, Menisu bring you. He's like, Madam, he was scared for his life. And this is the first time I'm going to the farm with him. So it will look like he's a man too. So it will look like he did something to me and he's coming to say, oh. So I really understood what this man was like going through in that minute. He was like, Madam, Yenfro. I give him my phone because he didn't have airtime. So I give him my phone and he's calling everybody and it's not going through. Then I said, okay, let me check and see if there is network here. Oh, I checked, there were like no service. I was like, God, I beg. So as I laid on the floor, I was just saying in my head, like, by his stripes I'm healed, by his stripes I'm healed. Because that was the only thing. Then randomly a thought came to mind, pour water on yourself. Luckily for me, I drank 2 bottles of my water. I just had 1 left. I just took it and I poured it on myself. All of a sudden, it's like the world was spinning. I'm not trying to be dramatic here. All of a sudden, the world it was spinning. Everything was spinning. I just felt like, okay, I'm calming down. That was how I was feeling. I was calming down. So I told my farmer that, okay, I feel a little better. Can he hold my hands and walk me? So he took my bag and everything. Then we were walking. Then we came to we finally got to the road. Then we saw a motor rider. I just jump on it. Like I knew I got home, washed down. I had someone come to fix something for me. The minute the person left, I slept from like 6 to 12 straight. I open my eyes. I can't. I tried to open my eyes. I can't open my eyes. It's like I was tired. My body, I couldn't move. So the whole of yesterday, I didn't eat anything. I ate bread with sardine and eggs, and I think tea. That was just it. I had lost appetite. Everything was just going somewhere for me. Yesterday, God came through for me. It could have been a different case, but God helped me. So I'm going to the clinic to get it checked. They did ask me to run some tests the last time. So I'm going there to see what was wrong, because they told me nothing is wrong with me. And I'm feeling this after like 2 weeks. Bye. Okay guys, so I'll be ending this vlog here. I want to say a very big thank you to each one of you that took time to watch my vlog. So there are lots more vlogs on my channel. Please, YouTube has been telling me you are not subscribing. Why? Auntie, why? Uncle, why? But before all that, I want to show you what I'm having for dinner, okay?
And tell me about the people that you know.